The brilliant thing about this is whether you're a beginner cook or a great cook, the point of this concept is you do what you're told. This is not a democracy. You know, if you're buying into this, it's because you want to shock yourself with the most amazing cooking. Not a dish, a collection of dishes, a feast, a table, like a mind-blowing bunch of stuff that your mates, your guests, your friends, your mother-in-law is going to go, wow, you did that in what, 20, 30 minutes? Are you sure? This book is for people that are busy, that love life, that love people, and love food. We're writing in a very different structure than we normally would. I'm going to drill you hardcore so that you won't believe what you've done in a short amount of time, okay? We're kind of saying, right, oven on, kettle on. Okay, we've organised our kitchen. We've got our pantry stores and spices. We've got gear hanging up. Let's go. Right. I don't want to be your best friend in this book. I don't want to suggest that you could do that. I don't want to be Mr. Nice Guy in this book. I want to radically change the way that you cook, certainly Monday to Thursday, you know, because I'm imagining that you're busy like I am, that you want to eat great food like I do, and that you're going to feel better as a wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, mother-in-law, parent, to be able to rattle out sumptuous, delicious meals instead of putting the pack in the microwave. As far as the recipes are concerned, we're covering all bases. We've got meat, we've got fish, we've got vegetarian, we've got pasta, we've got salads, we've got international dishes, we've got European dishes, we've got English dishes. I've written it so it's kind of do what you're told, have this meal, but if you don't like that salad, of course you can swap like for like. You know, you can swap a salad for a salad. You can swap a root veg for a root veg, or a herb for a herb of your preference. But don't start doing stuff that's out of the structure. Don't go swapping a salad for a stir fry, because I can't guarantee you're going to do it quick and delicious. I'm trying to find and give you all the little tips, ducks, dives that I've ever learned at work or at home. You're going to pick up stuff from this book that you're going to use every single day, every single meal, I promise you. I promise you. All these different things come together to be a lean, mean cooking machine of beautiful, tasty, robust, different, exciting food that will absolutely surprise you of what you can do in 30 minutes. It's brilliant. But good luck, lots of love, enjoy.